Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again, where I share tips and tricks on digital marketing and how to earn money online. If this video added any value to you, don't forget to like and share this video to your friends. Today, we want to learn about the basics of digital marketing. What is digital marketing? The different stages of the digital marketing and the different options in digital marketing. I want you to sit back and relax because digital marketing is a way to earn passive income in either affiliate marketing, social media marketing, search engine marketing, search engine optimization, or any of the options of digital marketing. You will sure be able to earn passive income every day from digital marketing. If you take it so much important and learn the processes one after the other, and you'll be glad you did. There is a popular saying that says skills make you rich and not theories. Really, the skills of the 21st century, I mean the digital marketing skills, are the skills of the 21st century that make us rich, sometimes richer than the crude oil of the 20th century and the 19th century. So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is a process of converting audience to customers using digital tools. It is the most effective strategy of the 21st century that have reached more than half of the world's population. We have increasing number of platforms, social media applications on our phone because the social media handles and platforms are growing every day. Before now, we use the TV, the print media, the radio, billboards. All these are now obsolete. Some of them are still in use, but most of them are now obsolete. Now, what are the tools we use in digital marketing? What are the digital marketing tools that you need to know that will fetch you money, that is earning, that will earn you money, that is giving a lot of dollars in the pocket of people every day? One of them is social media marketing. We have search engine marketing. We have email marketing. We have search engine optimization, affiliate marketing, content marketing, advertising, and analytics, among others. Why do we have them so much like this? And why are they important? Let me let you know that Facebook has about 4 billion people, and a lot of advertisements are going off on Facebook every day. These adverts on Facebook are even 3 times cheaper than the adverts on television or on newspaper. Over 3 billion searches are made every day on Google as well, and the traffic from Google is more likely to convert than any other form of advertising. And that's what makes digital marketing very, very important. Let's consider email. This is the #1 communication channel, and I want to let you know that 91% of consumers check their email on a daily basis, and many of these people, research have shown that more than 66% of those that check their emails or receive adverts on emails eventually buy online. That is a gold mine. If you are going to go into digital marketing for your business or for other people's business, you must understand what we call digital marketing strategy. This digital marketing strategy are the different steps to take whenever you want to do any marketing online. Now, any marketing strategy online must grab the attention of the visitor. If you see a Facebook ad, or you see an ad on Instagram, or you see an ad on Twitter, it must grab your attention. Either the picture is grabbing your attention or the video is grabbing your attention, especially 1 minute video is grabbing your attention. The purpose of it is to stimulate your interest. So if you are going to advertise a product online, you must think about stimulating the interest of the people, and that's why you must target the right audience. This interest you have stimulated will create a desire in them. When a desire is created in them, quickly they must take action. When they've taken action, like learn more, like see now, like buy now, or other call to actions that you may have there, then they will buy your product, make a subscription, make payment, and all of that. And at the end of the day, there must be satisfaction. You must create an amazing experience for your users or the visitors of your advert, either on Google, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, anywhere you are doing advertising. This principle, this five strategy is a sure way to fire your digital marketing in any of the platforms. Let's talk about them in details, one after the other. Let's talk about social media marketing. I'm sure you can see all the social medias. We have Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Vimeo, LinkedIn, Instagram, Google, Pinterest, and a whole lot of them. All of these tools were developed by people. Number one, to reach people. And one important thing about them is traffic. Over the years, they have been able to gather the interest of people. Facebook started by allowing people to connect with their friends. They went on to allow people to share their birthday and all of that. And they also remind you about birthdays every time. Now, they've been able to gather billions of users every day. Instagram alone has more than 500 million users every day. What a whooping number. Now, we can now market to the people on social media because they visit social media every day. Now, there are two types of marketing on social media. We have the organic marketing, organic advert, or the inorganic advert. The organic advert is the one you pay. You pay the customers, you pay Facebook, you pay Instagram, or you pay any other platform so that they would be able to market for you. Now, why inorganic advert means that you make a post, you try to let people engage the post, you try to make them to engage your post, to share your post. All of that are the inorganic advert. Whichever method you use, you are doing social media marketing and you can actually earn from it. How can you earn from social media marketing? You can be a social media marketer. Social media marketers are highly paid. Either you are engaged singly or you are engaged as a group of people working for an organization, promoting content for them, writing content for them, managing social media handles for them. If you want to learn more about social media marketing and how you can start earning as a social media marketer, check the description below, the link in the description below, where you can connect with me to be a social media marketer for brands that are waiting to have you as a social media marketer. Let's talk about search engine marketing. I'm sure you have seen all of this that you can see on your screen before, somewhere on Google, while you're trying to make a purchase or while you're trying to search for something of interest. I am also pretty sure that you have made one search or the other in the last 30 days on Google. When you did that, you made a search and a page came up. That page is called Search Engine Result Page. This search engine result page gives an idea of what you are searching for or what Google thinks you are searching for. Now, it also brings out businesses that have paid Google to advertise for them. Here, somebody posted and said, buying eyeglasses online. If he or she wants to buy eyeglasses online, Google will look at the location of the person, look at the location of people that have advertised, look at people that are offering it, and then display their adverts for you. You can leverage on this as a social media marketer to run Google ads for people. Listen, in the past 4 months, I have made over $4,000 for some companies running adverts online. They make their investment in terms of payments, and then they run adverts online. Do you have a product you want to sell, or you are looking at how to be a social media marketer? Then you need to understand Google AdSense and how to market with search engine marketing. This will help you to make a lot of dollars in your pockets. Email marketing is the next we want to talk about. Email marketing is simply the process of contacting people, reaching out to people through emails. The same way bulk SMSs are sent, that's the same way email marketing occurs, but you deliver it to their mails. There are different types of email we actually send. It can be a broadcast or it can be a newsletter. Now, before you can be an email marketer, you need experience. You need to know how to build an email list. I have made other videos for you on how to build an email list on this YouTube channel. Please check the videos on this YouTube channel to see the videos on how to build your email list so that you as an affiliate marketer can promote your affiliate links and sell as an affiliate marketer to people who will need your products. I'd like to let you know that platforms like MailChimp, Sendinblue, GetResponse, Constant Contact, and Systemi.io can be used to reach customers consistently. Some of them are paid, some of them are free. At least, a whopping majority of these email marketing platforms allows you to have up to 2,000 contacts, 2,000 email lists that you can continuously reach for free, though they have some limited options there. Affiliate marketing. This is one of the digital marketing tools that have made a lot of people rich in 2022. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn commission for selling other people's products. As I explained in my affiliate marketing beginners course, that affiliate marketing is a way to sell other people's products while getting commission from it. You can sell other people's digital products. Affiliate marketers majorly market digital products. What are digital products? They may be ebooks, they may be subscriptions, they may be videos on trainings, etc. People have developed this material and they want to sell them. They have put it on a landing page online, or they put it on a marketplace of an email marketing platform, and they want people that will sell. Before you can be an affiliate marketer, you must have the traffic and know how to reach them. Please check the affiliate marketing guide that I have on this video. I'm going to show it for you now. Now, you can see it here. So you would be able to learn affiliate marketing in details. Other videos are also available on this channel for you to learn affiliate marketing. What are the platforms you can use for affiliate marketing? You can use Commission Junction, you can use JVZoo, you can use Expertmail, you can use ClickBank, and some other ones. What is content marketing? In digital marketing generally, we promote content, video content, audio content, write-ups, blogs, etc. We say in digital marketing that content is king. You can creatively market the content you provide for other people to buy. Look at the rate at which people produce content on comedies. Look at music as a content to produce. You can also make content of what you are doing in your environment, how to plait hair, how to raise chicken, how to do so many things. In fact, there are a lot of videos on DIY, that is, do it yourself. Some other people just majorly produce content on how to prepare food. and then they do that right from their home. Then, when these contents are prepared, they are uploaded online and then they get rewarded for it. So, you can actually get a lot of funds. You can earn as much as $1,000 monthly from content marketing if you do that very, very well. What are the prospects of digital marketing? Digital marketing is easy to learn. You can even learn from the age of 5. It requires no knowledge of coding. You have access to a lot of remote jobs. I have a video on remote jobs that you can do online with digital marketing skills. You can find them right on this YouTube channel. The earlier you start the digital marketing, the better for you. And I want to let you know that you must also be consistent with it. Digital marketing can be learned from your smartphone. You can work for foreign companies abroad and earn in foreign currencies. And most of the platforms that you do digital marketing would like to pay you using the PayPal account. Thankfully, I have a video on how to create a PayPal account as a Nigerian living in Nigeria. There are some PayPal accounts that are not working. You can only send, you cannot receive money. But I have a video guide on how to create a working PayPal account. The guide, the link to that video is in the description button below. Wake up. Don't sleep on this. Be trained. Call for help. You can also collaborate with other digital marketers like myself. Where can you get free digital marketing trainings? You can get them on Google Digital Skills. Just type on Google, learn with Google. You can get them on YouTube. You can get them from Coursera, Udemy, Allison. All these platforms that are listed offer free digital marketing courses. If you have watched this video and you gain value from this video, please do well to make a comment on this video, and I will appreciate that. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.